Here's the tip that's going to help you as a leader and as a teammate in systems engineering. Praise in public, criticize in private. Now, you might be on a new team. You might have just been transferred in, let's say from a different position to a new engineering product team that needs to create a product. And there's probably going to be different opinions and some conflict in the development process. Okay, that's normal. And we're all human beings. So again, my opinion, I think we give people a break sometimes, but sometimes they'll screw up. I've screwed up. And what I really appreciated, though, is the times when I have screwed up, is they took me aside in private. They didn't criticize me in front of the group. They said, hey, Ray, here's some things I think you need to work on and tighten up. Even the fairly complex annual review process that we have at work, okay, that's designed to give feedback in private. And I was very grateful. I had one manager who was very savvy, just gave a few tips. All of them were fixable. And, I was able to take that in. Okay, I didn't feel that defensive, as it were. Some of it was hard to listen to, but, I took it in and was able to make the fixes. What I didn't appreciate, and maybe you've had this happen to you, is when I found out one client I had internally was not happy and had not been happy for months. Unfortunately, I wasn't taken aside in private, and they sent a letter to my manager, which was their right, but I find out about the situation from my management and saying, hey, Ray, so-and-so really doesn't like you when you, I think it was, talk back, and somehow I wasn't quick enough in my turning things around. I was writing some reports. There was some conflict in the report. Anyhow, not questioning my culpability there. I could have been quicker, and I probably could have been less confrontational. But I find out about it through my manager, so now I can't fix it. Now, again, my manager discussed these things. I worked on those things. I'm much better in those areas. And honestly, it was valid feedback. I would have loved to receive that earlier, but I missed out. So particularly if you're leading, but also if you're trying to talk to a peer, don't embarrass them in public. Bring them aside. Hey, can I have a private conversation? Something happened. And that creates safety. If you can make it safe, you can talk about anything. And comment below. Let me know if you want more references about creating safety. There's a great book called Crucial Conversations out there by Vital Smarts. They call it Crucial Learning now. That's a great book that teaches how to create that safety. But main point is criticize in private, praise in public where possible and where legitimate, and you're going to build safety and you're going to be able to connect more with your teammates. You won't be viewed as a threat, and I think you'll find you'll have more impact overall. Comment below what you think. Let me know if you've read Crucial Conversations, if you use these techniques, and what your experiences are. I'll see you in the next tip.